The health benefits of drinking garlic water in the morning and a recipe to use at home. 1. Garlic is a common ingredient and a natural bulb which is used to add flavour to delicious meals. It was used by the ancient Egyptians as a natural medicine and to increase strength. It was also used by the ancient Greeks, Romans, Chinese and Indians. 2. Garlic is becoming popular once more for fighting off diseases and boosting health around the world. It has been shown to fight hard to treat diseases such as MRSA, staph infections, cardiovascular disease, obesity, arthritis, erectile dysfunction and more. Let's take a look at the recipe. You will need 3 garlic cloves, 1 cup of warm water, and 1 slice of lemon, optional. Method: pre-boil the water and allow it to cool until lukewarm. Peel and slice the garlic cloves and lemon. Add the ingredients to the water and stir well. Allow this to steep for 10 to 20 minutes before straining and drinking. Do not use boiling water. It is important that the garlic isn't cooked. The raw benefits are much better for you. You can store this for 2 to 4 days in the refrigerator. 3. The healthy compounds and minerals in the garlic are released into the water, making them easier for your body to absorb. Drinking this in the morning is the perfect way to start the day and provides numerous health benefits for your body. 4. This drink naturally fights off fungal, bacterial, viral and parasitical infections. Garlic has been used in Europe to fight off MRSA and staph infections as they are highly resistant to modern antibiotic drugs. 5. Garlic contains over 27 active ingredients which work to strengthen the body against invaders and boost health. It has the ability to prevent food poisoning when added to meals by destroying harmful bacteria and parasites which may be present. 6. Fungal infections such as athlete's foot, ringworm and others are destroyed by garlic water as it contains a powerful compound called Ajoene. 7. Ajoene is also antithrombotic, meaning it can prevent blood clots in the body and thin out the blood. This is useful for lowering blood pressure and increasing circulation. 8. Allicin is yet another active compound in garlic which reduces blood pressure. Early studies show that this may be effective at fighting cancer and candida infections. 9. Garlic water can help to reduce the effects of free radicals on the body, slowing down the aging process by protecting the cells. Research also suggests that this can reduce the effects of dementia due to the antioxidants within the bulb. 10. It also has been shown to reduce atherosclerosis, arterial plaque, high cholesterol and triglyceride levels. 11. If you suffer with arthritis and pain in the joints, then today's remedy can help you. The Allicin and thiacremonone reduce inflammation throughout the body in a completely natural way. 12. Regular colds, sore throats, coughs and blocked noses will soon be healed when drinking this in the morning. It works quickly to boost the immune system and resolve symptoms. 13. Garlic is also well known for helping respiratory problems such as asthma and difficulty breathing. It opens the airways and reduces inflammation. 14. Research shows that garlic water can help to regulate the formation of fat cells in the body. Long term, this can help you to regulate your weight and shedding excess fat. 15. Garlic has natural Viagra properties due to its ability to increase blood flow. To learn more about this, please see our other video. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell icon for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.